What's up, YouTube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer here. And today, I got a new video for you. So it'll be kind of like a 2-for-1. So I've never had it. No, never tried it. So it'll be like the first time trying this flavor. And then the second, I'm gonna be shotgunning it. What's better than that? You get to see how it tastes, and then I get to see if I can shotgun this bitch. Alright, let's go right into it. Nice size hole. Smells like peaches. I guess that's a good thing. Did I position it right? Yeah, I did. Cool. Alright, guys. See you on the other side. On 7, 2, 1. Let's go. Oof. Oof. Don't get me wrong, guys. This is fucking good. Had that nice strong peach flavor. I don't know where the tropical came in, but maybe like a fancy peach or something. But what made it really bad was the aftertaste. Like, kind of reminded me of like the malt beverages, like a fucking Johnny Bootlegger, fucking Four Loko, fucking shit like that nasty fucking aftertaste. But other than that, when it first going down, it's fucking smooth. It still tastes like fucking tea, but whew, it's like they put like a shit ton of vodka in this now, just the right amount of tea. Honestly, this was an easy one, so I'll give it that. There's no carbonation. Carbonation, I can't do. It takes me longer. But with non-carbonated, so I was able to get that shit fucking done. So, that one was. I'll give it I get a 4 out of 5. Mostly for flavor. It would have been a perfect 5 if it wasn't for the aftertaste. Maybe that's why it's called Twisted Tea Xtreme, and a whopping 8%. Whew, god damn. Definitely gonna feel that one. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. Drop a comment in the comment section of what you want to see me do. Any drinking challenges, a beer review, let me know. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been like 2 months since I posted, but hey, I posted. There we go, I posted. Alright, I'm out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer out. Till next time.